Got my contacts mixed up here. Ah, maybe it's just that one. I want that to be off. So, I got power coming in here. I might need to double up this one then. What's that switch end working there? That is a really loud contactor. Alright. I'll just switch a few wires around. I need one to run. See, that's normally closed. That's fine. Because I got that hooked up. You know what? I got that right. So we're good. See, I got my ground. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit down and think now. That's getting me power to the right spot. That shorts out my bank. That gives me power. But I don't have a ground. I think I just got these hooked up backwards. Oh, we're going to have to pause for a minute, guys. I'm going to have to do some rethinking for a second. No problem. That's what happens when you write stuff down in your head. Normally closed. Then whenever I'm active, I'm charging. Oh, and we're connected. Yep, that's right. That's right. The only thing I got is this controls. That's all good over here. The only thing I got is that I need to get... This needs to be on. So that's going back to ground. It's going to neutral. So this is normally open. This is normally closed. I just need to tie these to the same point, that's all. So let's do that. Ba ba ba. We'll get there. Find my tools. I just don't have the right connector for that, so I'll have to run a wire. From here to here. Always the hard part, setting up everything. That was weird. Oh, now where did that wire go to? Oh, up here, okay. So then, we need to disconnect. Alright, let's just see if that works first. Live and charging. I got it. I see what I did. So in order for that to work, this has to be normally closed. I got it. And then for this, and this actually needs to be connected. Back over here. Gotta get everything squared away with my safety stuff first. Can't be doing this dangerous of an experiment without making it work right. Ain't happening. Okay. Now we're good. Alright, we're ready. Anybody out there listening? Who's watching? Who's ready? Ready to go yet? I gotta make my intro video. Now I'm ready to fire this bad boy. Yes? Ready? Alright. Sorry. I got everything back there, don't I? It's all hidden. I gotta move the... Do I need to move that camera so you can see the contact here? Here, I'll move you a little bit closer. I'll at least get you where you can see. There. That's a good spot. I didn't want to move it. It weighs way too much to take it off the table. I already moved it twice for my other videos I did. I didn't want to move it again. Where is my camera? Alright. So I gotta make the video. So you're just gonna have to wait through it. Ah, what's up, everybody? That's right, I got the Army helmet on. Thanks to one of my live viewers to verify that I needed my Army helmet on. There's no joke around here. There's some serious stuff going on. Okay, I want to blow this contactor to little smithereens using electricity. Are you ready? Let me show you the contactor. Here's what I got. Yep, if this won't blow this thing up, I don't know what will. I've seen these shorted out, and it ain't pretty. Let me give you the information on here for you. Alright, pause the video and take a look. But it does give me a dead short rating, which is kind of cool. And let's see, where did I read that? There we go. Short circuit rating, 5,000 amps at 600 volt. Now we are running at 330 volt for this test. I've got enough of these to do one way and one the other. Maybe we'll test it with higher voltage. See if we can way past our 5 kilovolt range. Kiloamps, I mean. And what I've got is this a 24 volt relay contactor. So I have to hook this up to a 24 volt power supply. Okay, 120 to 24 volts. And that is connected to the circuit charge and discharge resistor and capacitor bank. That's right, 10,000 joules of energy we're going to be testing with today. I may need to recalculate the way I've got them connected, but no, it's 1,000 apiece and they're all in parallel. That's right. Doesn't matter which way I hook it up as long as I got the same power rating. So yes, this is true. So what do I got here? For those of you who missed the video on how this circuit works, go back and watch it. I'm not going to go through the entire process again. So what I've got though is I've got a contactor relay. This is to discharge and charge my capacitor bank. I've got both the charging and discharging go through the same resistor. This is just a heating element. It's probably about, I think it's 8 or 16 ohm resistor. Alright, so the timer circuit here, I will turn it on and show you. This relay is really noisy. Maybe I can put a piece of paper in there and dampen it down, but it's just really loud. So if you hear some humming, it's just this. The charge portion of this, I'm actually going to activate the charging. I've got it hooked up to a voltmeter, which I can stand outside and view what voltage I'm at and wait till it charges. That's hooked up to the variac running over here through these wires and connected here to this contactor and resistor. This is my charge resistor. I'm also using it as my discharge resistor. This contactor is only on when I need it to be for the safeties. I got double safety on here, and let me show you how that works. Right now it is hooked up. Let's go ahead and turn the first servo on. I'll try to get that thing quiet. Thing's really loud. Here, let me put a piece of tape on there. Hold on, I'm gonna cut the footage. Hold on. All right, let me put a piece of electrical tape on the back side of that thing. That'll quiet it up. Or duct tape. Duct tape will work. It's just so loud. Put a little piece of tape on there. Watch how quiet it is. This should help out. Oh, I made it a lot louder. Oh, well, crap. Forget it. Don't worry about it. It's just annoying, that's all. I'm trying to think of what I did to that other one to make it quiet. I don't remember now. Oh, well. Alright, I'm back. That didn't work. So forget about it. We'll just make it noisy. So, this turns it on. Now I'm good. I can charge. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the contact relay to keep it charged. Now I'm going to go outside and charge it up that way. Then when I'm ready to fire, I just hold this over and it goes through its sequencing. And then the only way to get now it's discharging through the resistor. The only way to get it charged again is to release and recharge. So let me show you what the contactor is going to be doing close up. Alright, I'm firing it. This is the length I'll be having it contact closed. Okay, that's it. So let's get the camera set up. I want it set up so I can see these lights in the camera. And also that, but it might be a bad idea. Might just have to reference it. Because I want to be able to see what happens here. And I want to make sure it's focused. So, let's turn off these lights and see how it looks. I got that one light on. I think that'll be okay. Yeah, that'll be alright. Alright, I guess I'm going to go outside. Turn on my contactor. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to turn this on 60 frames a second. Let me switch it over. I need to switch this over so it's high power, baby. Recording in 1080 60p mode. Okay. Alright, let's turn on that. Turn on my charger. I'm at 370 volts out of the contactor for the charging circuit. Alright. Tell you what I'm going to do. Leave this door open enough so I can watch, and I'll set this so I can stand behind it. Alright, I'm going to go outside. I'll go ahead and activate it. Oops. Must have pulled too much power. Might have to do it by hand. Probably going to have to do it by hand. Alright. Gonna have to charge it by hand. That or I got something connected wrong and it shorted out. Let's try it again. Alright. Charging. Probably not a big enough resistor. Oh, tripped again. I probably got something hooked up wrong. Let's reset. Alright. Let me double check my stuff over here. I got no voltage reading across here and there. Let's double check my voltage over here. Sounds like I've got a one wire hooked up wrong. That's all good. It's bound to happen. Let's see what we got on this meter. No voltage. So that means I've got something connected wrong. Power comes in, goes through my resistor, comes back out, goes back to my charger. Well, that is all correct. So what do I have wrong? Positive is on positive. Negative is on negative. Contactor's open. Interesting. I wonder if I... Well, let's try it again. Maybe I'm just charging it too fast. Turn it back down. Turn this on. Man, that thing is loud. Alright, let's turn this camera back on. And we'll slowly charge it up again. If I'm pulling too much, it'll trip again, but It's coming up nice and even with me, so I'm not sure. 220 volts, 250 volts, 260 volts. It's 340 volts. Oh, what happened? Oh, we're okay. I'm really not for sure if I've got that right, but let's go try to discharge it anyway. Want to? Alright, I'm going outside. Firing. Alright. Nothing happened. I must have something wrong. We are still... Huh. Well, what did I do wrong? La la la. One of these days we'll get it. I have no idea. Not a clue. Everything is corrected. I got something shorted wrong. Let's see if we got any voltage here. Nope. Let's see if maybe this is shorted out or something. Low voltage. Okay. Now if I short this out, we're good there. Oh no. Let's see here. That is... Huh, it's conducting. When it shouldn't be. No, it's just low internal resistance, I think. So it reads right when you read resistance. Well, the only other thing to do is attach my meter here and see if it's charging. Out there. Let's see if that's what we got here. Let's see what we got here. We'll get it done eventually. We got 0 DC, of course. Reset. Okay. Now, let's bring it up just a couple of volts. There's 34 volts. We got nothing out here. I got something shorted out wrong. Turn this off. Go up to about 80 volts. Oh, I don't have my charger on. And maybe that was my problem. There we go. Now we're charging. Now we're charging. Now let's see if we discharge. Discharging, discharging. I think I just had something. Everything's fine. It's down to 1 volt, 0.8 volt. I'll go ahead and disconnect this. We're good. I must have done something silly. I don't know what it was. Alright. Try it again. Okay. Charger's on. Circuit's live. We're going to charge very slow. I think I just didn't charge right. Let me open my garage door so I can get out of here. Bad thing is I got to walk right past it, but oh well. It's just taking that long to charge. I guess got to go slow. That's all. I was charging it too fast. Need a bigger resistor or something. Huh. Need more voltage. More amperage on my incoming side. Alright, now we're getting there. Although I had voltage earlier, what happened there? Oh well. Oh, I was at 130 volts. What happened? Alright, maybe I should leave this meter over here. Let me switch my meters around. I don't care too much about this one, so let's put this one over here and put that one over there. Maybe, just maybe, one of these capacitors isn't right. Broken or something. Let's see, I'm gonna hook that to this one. Positive. This one's negative. I will get it eventually, guys. Eventually. Let's try again. I don't understand what is happening. Reset. Maybe I burned up my bridge rectifier. It's possible. Charger's on. Everything else is on. See, I'm charging over there. I wonder if I'm discharging at the same time. Maybe I got my... No, I ain't got my resistor wrong. $160, $170, $180. See, I'm at 200 volts over here, and I'm only at 200 over there. I'm just charging it too fast. That's all there is to it. So we're alright. Just need to go slower. So I'm at 250 here, and I'm only at 238 over there. 240. 260 here. 250 there. I'm just going too fast. We'll get there. We'll get there. 280 over there. 300 over there. 312. 317. 320. Alright, we're at 330 volts. Going outside. Alright, fire in the hole. 3, 2, 1, starting sequence. There we go. On fire. Oh my gosh. I might want to close my garage door before they call the cops on it, because that thing just evaporated.